In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to divide and split shapes in Adobe Illustrator using the Shape Builder tool. This is one of the fastest and most powerful ways to cut, remove, and customize overlapping shapes without complicated menus or extra panels. If you've ever struggled with trimming pieces out of combined objects, this method is going to save you a lot of time. Make sure to stick around to the end so you can see how to do it cleanly and efficiently. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your Illustrator project and make sure you have the shapes you want to work with already created on your artboard. These can be basic shapes like circles, rectangles, polygons, or even custom shapes you've drawn with the pen tool. The key here is that the shapes need to overlap if you want to split them into different sections. Now, using the selection tool, click and drag over all the shapes you want to split. It's very important that every shape involved in the split is selected at the same time. If even one object is left unselected, the Shape Builder tool won't recognize it as part of the interaction. So double-check your selection and make sure everything is highlighted. With all your shapes selected, press Shift+M on your keyboard. This activates the Shape Builder tool instantly. You can also find it in the toolbar on the left side of your screen, but the shortcut is much faster and keeps your workflow smooth. As soon as you activate the Shape Builder tool, you'll notice that when you hover over overlapping areas, Illustrator highlights individual sections. This preview shows you exactly how the shapes are being divided based on their intersections. Each highlighted area represents a potential new shape that can either be merged or removed. Now here's the key step for splitting and removing parts of your shapes. Hold down the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac. When you hold this key, you'll see a small minus sign appear next to your cursor. This indicates that you're now in subtraction mode. While continuing to hold Alt or Option, simply click on any area you want to remove. If you need to remove multiple sections at once, you can click and drag across several areas instead of clicking one by one. As you drag, Illustrator will subtract all the highlighted regions in one smooth motion. Shapes. You can click away to deselect everything, and then select each piece individually to move, recolor, resize, or edit them however you like. One helpful tip is to zoom in slightly when working with detailed designs. This gives you more control and ensures you're removing exactly the sections you intend to remove. Also, remember that the Shape Builder tool works based on overlapping paths. If your shapes aren't overlapping, they won't divide into sections. That's really all there is to it. Select all your shapes, press Shift+M to activate the Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt or Option to switch to subtract mode. Then click or drag over the areas you want to remove. It's quick, clean, and much more intuitive than using older Pathfinder methods for many tasks. And that's how you divide and split shapes in Adobe Illustrator. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Illustrator tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.